So let's move on to the contact page. So the contact page is going to have a map over here on the right hand side showing Bob's service area, and then it's going to have some contact information like his phone number and address and whatnot, and then it's going to have a contact form right here in the middle. So let's add a contact form right now, and we have to get a plugin to actually do that. So let's go to the plugin section, click add new, and the most popular contact form for WordPress is called contact form 7. So just type that in, click search, and click install now. Click OK. And once it's done installing, make sure to activate it. And then over on the left hand side, you'll notice a new tab that says contact. Click that and click edit under contact form 1. Then what you want to do is just copy this short code right there. Just highlight it, click copy, and make sure that this is the email that you want to receive the emails that people send you. And I don't know Bob's email right off the bat, so I will change that later for him. So I'll just leave that to mine, and I'm going to click save. So from there, let's go to our contact page. That's pages, contact, and let's paste in what we just copied, which is that short code. And the first thing that I know I want to do is get rid of the comments on the contact page. So I'm going to make sure that discussion is checked off. Scroll down to the bottom, uncheck allow comments and uncheck allow trackbacks. And then I am going to click update. So we can test that out. Let's go to the contact page and we'll have a nice contact form right there. The next thing I want to do is add a little box with a bunch of Bob's contact information. So let's do that by first getting a new plugin. So make sure that this is saved by clicking update. And let's head over to the plugins area, add new. And then let's type in standout boxes. So if we type in standout boxes, we should get this one called standout color boxes and buttons. Install now. Activate, and this plugin will give us some styling options for the box that we want to wrap around our contact information. So let's go back to the contact page now. Make sure you have activated the plugin. If it's not activated, just hit activate right here. And let's go to the contact page. Let's edit that, and I want the box of contact information to be right above the contact form, so I'm just going to hit enter, right like that. And then what I'm going to do is type in some short code. So once you've installed that plugin, just type in color-box, color equals gray, and there's a bunch of different options for colors. You can type in almost any color. And then I'm going to type in some contact information. So I'm just going to type in address, and I'll paste this in like so, and backspace that. Then I'm going to type in some cell information, and I am going to type in the business line. Just paste that in, and I'm going to make this bold. Then I'm going to close off this color box shortcode by going below our contact information and typing a bracket, a forward slash, and then typing in color-box. So this is going to be the color box. You'll see the first color box tag and the second, and everything inside is going to be in the box. So let's test that out by updating it and going to our contact page. and that did not work for some reason. So let's edit our page, and I spelled gray wrong. So I'm just gonna change that E to an A and click update, and let's refresh. So now that looks pretty good. Maybe we can get a little less space in between. Refresh that, and let's do the same for the top. And let's update that. All right, so now we have a nice tidy box right here. The next thing I want to do is add a menu, or excuse me, add a map to the right side that says service area at the top and shows Bob's service area. So let's do that by going over to Google Maps. That's maps.google.com. And let's type in Calgary, Alberta. So what we want to do is embed this map into our website. So let's do that by hitting this link right here and clicking Customize and Preview Embedded Map. Then we want to have a custom map size. So I'm going to hit Custom. And the map size for me is going to be 250 by 700. So it's going to be nice and tall. And we can move it around like this. Then what we want to do is just copy this code right down here. So if we just click inside this box and right click, we can click Select All and then right click again. Oops. What we want to do is right click, select all, and then hit Command or Control C. So that will select everything, and Control C or Command C will copy it. Then we can close up Google Maps, and let's go to the Appearance Widgets section. So we want to add a map widget on the right side of our contact page. But the first step is getting rid of all these other widgets right here that say categories, archives, recent comments, blah, blah, blah. So let's just get rid of those by dragging those out like this. And these are the available widgets, and these are the active widgets. So let's drag a text widget right here, and let's call it service area. Then I'm just going to paste in the code that I just copied, and it looks like a bunch of gibberish, but if we save it and refresh our website, it'll be a nice map widget that shows Bob's location. There's one last step. I want to add a little text right here that says call us or fill out the email below for a quote to ask more questions. So let's go to Pages, Contact, and I'm just going to make a line right here. It's going to say call us or fill out the email form below for a quote or to ask more questions about our services. All right, let's update that. Let's refresh that. And that looks great. The very last finishing touch is to change the logo up here. So I have a custom logo that Bob requested we use, so I'm just going to use that. But if you don't have a logo, you can check out Fiverr.com, and I'll leave a link in the description to the site where you can get a logo made for $5. Just go to Fiverr, go to Graphics and Design, look around, see if you like any people under logo design. And there's a lot of good people. I've gotten a lot of work from these people. And if you like anything, just sign in or sign up, and you can get a logo for $5. So that's pretty cool. The other alternative is to watch my video on how to create a custom logo by yourself. You can find that in my channel. So once you have your logo, you're going to want to go to Appearance, Theme Options, and go to General. Then under Main Logo Upload, just click Upload, select Files, and upload your logo. So mine's called logo.jpg. I'm going to open that up. And I am going to click Use this image. So let's save that and let's refresh our page. Now we have a nice logo. And there's actually one more thing, which is right here you will notice it says edit your title in the theme settings panel. So we can change this title right now by going to the theme settings and finding maybe under blog, and maybe we'll just say welcome to Bob Moffat's blog. Alright, so let's save that and refresh, and that looks pretty great. So now we have everything. We have a nice home page with this big image, a nice portfolio with all of Bob's work, and if you want to see more, you can click this image and see more. You can click these and they'll open up like that. We have a nice contact page, and we have an About Me and a services page. So that completes this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, rate, and comment, and thanks for watching.